Hey there, YouTube family. I'm so excited that you're here today. And I want to talk about something that's super important for any online business owner, and it's called Google Analytics tracking. Now, if you don't have this yet, I hope that you're going to install your Google Analytics tracking code into your website. And there are a few reasons why it's super important. Well, it's because it tracks your data. And data is so important when it comes to conversions and seeing where your audience comes from, how much traffic you're getting to your website every month, and where it actually is coming from. I think I said that already, but that's okay. It's really important to know. You want to know more about your audience. The more you know about your ideal customers, the easier it is to sell to them. Now, I hope that you already have your Google Analytics account set up. Now, if you don't, you can go to Google and type in Google Analytics. So we are going to do that today. And I'm going to show you where you can find your Google Analytics code if you've had a web developer or somebody else already create your website and all of the back-end stuff for you. But if you want to get a little more hands-on, you're going to want to know where to find your Google Analytics code so you can put it in your website if it's not there yet. Oop, I totally clicked the wrong button. So we are going to go to the first thing that said go to Google Analytics. We're going to click use it for free, or you can just type in the web address in the URL analytics.google.com, and that will get you straight to your analytics dashboard if you already have that. Now I have a bunch of websites and I'm changing a lot of things around, so I have a few things up here in my Google Analytics. But I've switched over my old website to a new website, and it's a little confusing, but just pretend you're probably not going to have as much stuff as me if you're just getting started. So you're going to want to click on your website and go to your properties and accounts. And I have a few here. And the Google Analytics tracking code starts with the letters U and A. Now, if I want to see my data, I'm going to click on all website data here. This is one place you can find it. You can see I'm just now creating this new tracking code here, so I have 0 traffic, 0 sessions. There's not much happening yet. I haven't really marketed this new website I'm creating. I just wanted to show you a little bit of the back end, and this is what your Google Analytics dashboard is going to look like. Now, if you want to check out any of your properties, you can go to the admin gear on the bottom left corner of your screen. And then we're going to go to property settings and look here. That's my tracking ID. Now, if you want to install this into your website, all websites are different. My favorite website to build courses on, to build landing pages, have email, everything all integrated into one thing is Kajabi. You can create membership sites on there. And I want to get this tracking code and put it into my Kajabi website. But that's for another video. So I just wanted to show you where your Google Analytics tracking code is. Remember, you go to log in to your Google Analytics dashboard, go down to admin, the little gear on the bottom, property settings, and that's going to have your tracking ID at the top middle of the dashboard. So I hope this has been helpful, and if you like my channel, please click and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in more training tutorials